Welcome to a new video from the Color Vistas brand. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to safely and effectively remove sublimation ink from your printer. Whether you're switching back to regular ink or just need to clean your printer, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. So, why might you need to remove sublimation ink? There are a few reasons why you may want to remove sublimation ink from your printer. Switching inks. If you've been using sublimation ink but now need to go back to regular ink, you'll need to clean the printer thoroughly to avoid mixing the two types. Clogged nozzles. Over time, sublimation ink can dry and clog the printer heads or nozzles, especially if the printer isn't used frequently. Cleaning out the ink will help restore print quality. Printer maintenance. Regularly cleaning your printer will prolong its life and prevent print quality issues. This is especially important if you're transitioning between different projects or types of printing. What you'll need to remove sublimation ink. Before we jump into the process, here's a list of tools you'll need to get the job done. Cleaning solution. A printer head. Cleaning solution specifically designed for inkjet printers. You can purchase this online or at office supply stores. Syringe and tube kit. These are used to flush out the ink from the printer's nozzles and ink lines. Some cleaning kits come with these tools included. Lint-free cloth, to clean the exterior and accessible parts of the printer. Disposable gloves, to protect your hands from ink and cleaning solution. Step 1. Power off and unplug the printer. Before starting the cleaning process, make sure your printer is turned off and unplugged. This prevents any electrical damage or safety hazards while you're working with liquid solutions inside the printer. Step 2. Remove the ink cartridges. Next, open the printer and carefully remove the sublimation ink cartridges. Set them aside on a piece of paper towel to catch any drips. If you plan to reuse the sublimation ink cartridges later, store them in a sealed plastic bag to keep them from drying out. Step 3. Clean the ink lines and nozzles. The most crucial step is flushing the sublimation ink out of the printer's ink lines and nozzles. Here's how to do it. Attach the syringe. Attach the syringe to the tube and insert the tube into the nozzle where the ink cartridges sit. Apply cleaning solution. Slowly inject the cleaning solution into the ink nozzles. This will flush out any residual sublimation ink. Repeat the process. Repeat this process for each color nozzle to ensure that all the ink lines are cleaned out completely. Run a cleaning cycle. Once you've manually flushed the lines, turn the printer back on and run a cleaning cycle to further remove any lingering sublimation ink. Most printers have this option in their maintenance or settings menu. Step 4. Clean the printer heads. If your printer heads are clogged with dried sublimation ink, you may need to clean them more thoroughly. Here's what to do. Soak the print heads. Remove the print heads if your printer allows it. Place the heads in a shallow dish of cleaning solution and let them soak for about 10-15 minutes. Dry the heads. After soaking, gently pat the print heads dry with a lint-free cloth. Make sure they are fully dry before reinserting them into the printer. Run another cleaning cycle. Reinsert the print heads and run another cleaning cycle to ensure they're working correctly. Step 5. Reinstall new ink cartridges. Once the printer has been fully cleaned and flushed of all sublimation ink, it's time to reinstall new ink cartridges. If you're switching to regular ink, insert the new ink cartridges and run a test print to check that everything is working properly. Step 6. Test the printer. After everything is cleaned and the new ink is installed, it's time to test the printer. Print a test page to ensure that the printer is functioning correctly and that no sublimation ink remains in the system. If you still notice any print quality issues, you may need to run additional cleaning cycles or check for any stubborn clogs in the nozzles. Here are some troubleshooting tips. If you encounter any issues during the process, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Persistent ink residue. If the sublimation ink isn't fully removed after the first flush, repeat the cleaning process. You may need to use more cleaning solution and allow it to soak into the nozzles for longer. Clogged nozzles. If the nozzles remain clogged, try using a stronger cleaning solution or running multiple cleaning cycles in a row. Ink leaks. If you notice ink leaking during the cleaning process, ensure the syringes and tubes are properly fitted and avoid using too much pressure when flushing the ink lines. Let's move on. Why is regular cleaning important? Even if you don't switch inks regularly, it's still a good idea to clean your printer periodically to prevent ink buildup and clogs. Sublimation ink can dry out if the printer isn't used frequently, so regular maintenance is essential to keeping your printer in top shape. And now, it's time for final thoughts. Removing sublimation ink from your printer doesn't have to be a complicated process. By following these steps and using the right tools, you can clean your printer safely and effectively, ensuring it's ready for regular ink or future sublimation projects. Thanks for watching this video. I hope these tips help you clean your printer and switch between sublimation and regular ink with ease. I will leave links in the description for recommended tools and products where applicable, and make sure to visit my website for more sublimation guides and tips. See link in the description. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.